Alright, well, I'm done playing games with this trailer, so we're going to cut mode. Good. Getting sick of playing games with these stupid little frickin' things, man. Like, this is getting done today, not 4 years from now. Yep, just snap the bolts, I don't care. There we go. Hopefully snap this other one off and just be done with it. Yep. Well, I can stay in there for a minute. Good. Okay. Well, time to cut those 2 small ones off, because this is not playing games with this crap anymore. Okay, well, that's one more done. Let's see, set this down over there, and I gotta move this. Alright, time to get the hammer, put my tools away, smack these lights off. God damn it! There we go. Got that off. That's one. Now let's get this next one knocked off, because this is really making me mad. I like how this one comes off way easier. There we go. That one went flying underneath the trailer. Alright, well, I'm gonna go get the paint real quick and we'll resume in a minute. Alright guys, so I got the first coat on, basically 2 coats really. So I'm gonna let this dry for a bit, then go back over all the spots that I've missed. A lot of it's gonna soak in and take a bit to really dry up and soak up a lot, like over there. Alright guys, so I just got the final coat on right now. All the touch up is gonna be later on. All the blotchiness you might not be able to see in the camera, but that's just like from what's it called, when I was grinding it. There's a few spots I still have to hit, like right there, but that's what I'm gonna do off camera. And then we're gonna take the wheels off and get them ready for paint and paint those too. Alright guys, so I ended up what's it called, taking the wheels off. I jacked it up on both sides in the back. So now I took the wheels off and we're gonna just start going at it, clean these wheels up as best as I can, and we're gonna clean them and paint them. Just using wire brush, get all the loose stuff off. I'm gonna spin them around, and I'll blow them off with the air nozzle. Alright guys, so I put some grease around the tires, around the wheel. So when you paint, you can just wipe all that old stuff off, and or the overspray. So this is primer, galvanized primer for the rust. So I'm letting this dry, and it should be another few minutes before it's completely dry. Then I'll hit it with the aluminum paint. This is what the trailer's looking like so far. It's coming out pretty good actually. So yeah, we'll catch up when we start painting for real. This is the second coat going on right now. Making sure it's evenly on. Alright, we're gonna let this sit and dry now. Alright guys, so I'm just going around cleaning up the edge of these wheels. So if you ever have to, just take some brake cleaner on a rag and just wipe this stuff off. Especially on both of them. I think that they dried up a little too fast. But it is what it is. At this point, I don't care. But yeah, we're gonna put this on. So now, right now, I am taping up the wiring harness on the front so it doesn't get ruined. Just a little more protection than I did already. Touch up some more spots on the trailer. The wheels should be dry almost. I'll show you that. And I'm gonna paint this silver, this the tongue silver, so it separates it, you know, makes it more look professional. And figure out something with the chains, probably paint them too once we get done painting this. So yeah, this is what I'm working on. I still got a bunch more to wrap up so far, so catch up in a minute. Yeah, so got this taped down a bit and taped that so we can hit this with some aluminum paint. So yeah. Well, looks pretty good. Let that dry. Move the shank up, and you'll see in a minute. Thanks, guys.